I'm going to show you exactly how to get Telegram Premium in 2025. Whether you're using Android, iPhone, or desktop, this guide has you covered. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure it's updated on the latest version. If not, head to the App Store or Google Play and get the latest version. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on the left corner on Android, or go straight to Settings on iOS. Once you're there, scroll down until you see option called Telegram Premium. Tap on Telegram Premium and you'll see the subscription page. You'll get a full list of free subscription features plus the current pricing. In most countries, it's around $4.99 to $5.99 USD a month, but it may vary slightly depending on your region. Choose the monthly or yearly plan, then hit subscribe. Now your app store will handle the payment across this. This might be through Google Play, Apple Pay, or another method depending on your device. Once you confirm payment, you'll unlock the Telegram Premium features immediately.